How to sign up on Vidio app. 1. Open the Vidio application. 2. Select sign in or sign up. 3. Select continue with Google. 4. Select your Google account. 5. Select OK, I agree. 6. Fill in your name. 7. Fill in your year of birth. 8. Select save. 9. Select your gender. 10. Select I agree. 11. Select save. Success, don't forget to like and subscribe.